Hybrid 2-in-1 Vacuum and Mop. Sweeping and mopping, designed to vacuum on multi-surfaces and mop on hard floors for a deep clean. Slim yet powerful. Intense 1800 Pascal suction combined with slim design make it perfect for dust, crumbs and pet hair, allow for thorough cleaning under sofa and closet. Up to 100 minutes run time. Ultra-high battery capacity provides 100 minutes of constant cleaning, ideal for multiroom, low-pile carpet, hard floor. Note: not suitable for dark or long-pile carpet. Voice app control. Works with Alexa Google Assistant voice commands. Tesvor Smart App comes with advanced features including scheduling, cleaning modes, real-time monitor, online support, direction control and customization. Hassle-free cleaning. The smart navigation maps your house and runs in intelligent S-shaped planning path. Built-in highly sensitive anti-collision sensors keeps your robot, furniture and walls away from scratches and marks. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing navigation and cleaning. This robot vacuum has been cleaning the bottom floor of my house nearly daily since I got on the first day. So far I'm very satisfied with the job it's doing. The battery lasts just long enough to complete a cycle through my bottom floor. After each cycle, I empty the dustbin. Remove the filter, rollers, clean all sensors and blow off the dust from the robot using a DataVac electronics blower. This takes me about 3 to 5 minutes as I've got my routine down. I usually do this after getting home from work since the robot vacuum runs during the day. After setup on Wi-Fi, I can do a lot more like DIY my clean routes. Overall I would recommend this to anyone with reasonable expectations. Love this white robot vacuum.